The table shows the sales of three brands of cars with two models each realized at a car agency named Dream Cars Limited over a period of 3 months from July to September in 2014. In the table, we can check sales of Maruti Zen in July as 2250, and it is also important to be noted that all these figures are in rupees 100. In the similar fashion, we can find the sales of Opel Corsa in the month of September. It was 3000 in thousands, and this table also gives some additional info about relation between unit purchase, unit sold, ending inventory, and beginning inventory. And this relation is given as units purchased is equal to units sold plus ending in inventory minus beginning inventory. So that's all about the table. Now come to the first question of the set. Here it is saying in July, the agency sold double the number of cars of Maruti Alto cars that it purchased, and the average selling price of a Maruti Alto car was rupees 1,25,000. If the ending inventory for the month of July was 15, what was the beginning inventory? The total sales of Maruti Alto in the month of July was 2,500 into 1,000, and the selling price of each car is given as 1,25,000. From here, we can calculate the number of cars sold in the month of July of the given brand, and it was equal to 20. And it is given that in July, Delci sold double the number of Maruti Alto cars that it purchased. So the number of car purchased in the month of July of the given brand was 10, and it is asking for what was the beginning inventory. The relation is the number of units purchased, that is 10, equals the number of units sold, which is 20, plus ending inventory, which is given as 15, minus the beginning inventory, which we have to calculate. Suppose it is x. From here, value of x comes out to be 35 minus 10, which is 25. So the beginning inventory of Maruti Alto in July was 25. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Now move to the next question. Here it is given that from July to September the agency sold 8 Opel Corsa cars per month and sold and paid sales tax at a rate of 15% of the sales value of the cars. What was the approximate value in rupees 1000 of the sum of taxes paid on the sale of the three Opel Corsa cars with one each in the given 3 months? So first of all, we have to find the selling price of each Opel Corsa car in the given 3 months. So compute it with the help of table. The total sales of Opel Corsa in the month of July was 2500 into 1000. That we can remove it from here. It is the total sales in 1000 upon the number of car sold. It was 8 as it is given in the question. So the price of each car that company sold of Opel Corsa brand in the month of July was 2500 upon 8, and it comes out to be 312.50. Similarly, we can calculate the price of Opel Corsa in the month of August and September, and these figures come out as 250 in 1000 and 375 in 1000. We have to find the taxes paid on the sale of three Opel Corsa cars with one each in the three given months. And it is also known that the rate of tax paid is 15%. So the tax paid over the given period would be find 15, that is 15% of 312.50 plus 250 plus 375, which comes out as 140. So the required tax paid was rupees 140 in 1000, that is this. This was the total amount of required tax paid for the Opel Corsa cars over the given period. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Next question. In July, if 15% of total sales of Maruti Alto cars and 10% of total sales of Hyundai Santro cars put together constituted 25% of the total profit made by the agency, find the total profit made by the agency in July. Here, total from the table, it can be seen that the total sales of Maruti car 1000 in July was rupees 2500, and that of Centro is 2800, and it is given that 15% of this quantity, which means 15 into 2500 upon 100 plus 10% of Hyundai Santro sales, which is 10 into 28 upon 100. This is 1/4 of the total profit made by the company. In order to find the total sales, the total profit, we need to multiply this figure by. So our total profit comes out as 262, which is in rupees 1000. So correct answer is option B, which comes out as rupees 2620 in rupees 1000. Hence option B is the correct answer. In the last question of this set, it is given that the agency in July and August the agency purchased 70 Opel Corsa cars. If the inventory at the end of August was 87 and the inventory at the beginning of July was 65, what was the average sales price of an Opel Corsa car during the given 2 months? So, using the given formula, total units purchased, which is given as 70, equals total number of units sold. Suppose in this case it is X, plus the inventory at the beginning of the period. Here in this case it is 87, minus the inventory at the beginning of the period, which is 65. From here X comes out as 48, and to get the average selling price we have to divide the total sales of Opel Corsa cars during July and August by 48. So total sales of Corsa cars in July was 2500 in 1000, and in August it was 2000 in 1000. Divide this figure by 48, it comes out as 93.75. So the price of, or average price of, an Opel Corsa car during the given period was 93.75 into 1000, which is 90,300,750 rupees. So option D is the correct answer.